शुभं कुरुत्वा आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्
Thank you everybody for inaugurating the webinar. It's honor and pride for Innerville District 303 to organize this global webinar. I request the dynamic leader of the district, soft-spoken district chairman, Mrs. Meenal Lathi, to welcome all the dignitaries. Over to Meenal ji. Over to Meenal madam for welcoming the guests. Because of some technical reasons, but we will take a few seconds, please. I'm sorry for that. She's just going to join.
उसमें बोल दो कि हम फिर से वो कर रहे हैं क्योंकि डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था सबसे तो लाइटिंग ऑफ एंड फिर से play करते हैं। एक बार डायस वो मिल गया क्या प्लीज दिखा दो यार इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट प्लीज
Because of some technical problem, some
मैडम कनेक्ट हो गया आपका? हाँ, आ गया।
I will direct this global webinar. I request the dynamic leader of the district, decent, soft-spoken district chairman, Mrs. Snellji.
Can I audible? Namaste and very good afternoon to all. Today's chief guest, respected IIW President Dr. Beena Ji Vyas, guest of honor, respected Association President Vasudha Ji, keynote speaker Dr. Ved Prakash Ji Mishra, special invitee Rotary District 3030 Governor Shabbir Ji Shakir, past Association President Sarita Ji Lunani, Association CCCC PAP Rashmi Ji Sharma, Event Director PDC Pravina Ji, Club President Monica, District Executives, District CCC PDC Kirti Ji, Galaxy of PAPs and PDCs, my batchmate, district chairmen present here, all club presidents and team, District 303 and other district members, Rotarians, invitees, guests, and all Innerville members. Welcome to all of you. We have galaxy of speakers, including IIW President, Association President, PAP, and so many dignitaries. Very warm welcome to all of you for this global webinar. Over to Kirti ji. Sorry, over to Pravina ji.
Pravina ji, unmute yourself. Pravina ji, unmute yourself. Pravina ji, unmute yourself.
Pravina, unmute yourself. Pravina.
मैं करती हूँ उनको.
मीनल मैम आप करिए.
हाँ हाँ.
Thank you, Meenal ji, for welcoming all the people, all the dignitaries, and the delegates who are all joined our webinar. The young and dynamic district governor, Rotary International District 3030, Rotarian Shabbir Shakir, is requested for his greetings and wishes on this occasion. We all know that his words are always very poetic and full of shairi. Over to you, Shabbir ji. Yes, over to you, Shabir ji. We are just waiting for your shairi and poetic words.
District Inner Wheel Chair Minalji Larti, President of Inner Wheel Club of Gandhi City Varda, Monica Poddar, Sub Secretary Nico, Chief Guest for today's function, Dr. Beena Ji Vyas, Guest of Honor, Vasudaji Chandrachud, our keynote speaker, Dr. Ved Prakash Ji Mishra, my good friends, Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Dr. Praveena Kher, and ladies. A very good afternoon to all of you. It certainly is a great topic to have a webinar on. Patriotism. One thing which can never ever go out of fashion. Patriotism towards your motherland. Patriotism towards your country. I think that is something which would touch anybody's heart, anywhere, anytime. While we have great speakers lined up who would be talking on this in the forthcoming sessions, I would rather speak about the people who have organized it, which is the Inner Wheel Club members. In short, मेरे लिए the ladies. दोस्तों, मैं ऐसा नहीं कि मैं लेडीज को एड्रेस कर रहा हूं इसलिए ये चीज बोल रहा हूं. I have always been openly appreciative of the women folk, and for reasons I am absolutely convinced about. A woman may she be a 20-year-old or a 90-year-old. हर महिला के अंदर एक मां बसती है. इसीलिए ये स्पेशल होते हैं. इसलिए इनके अंदर एक ममता और माया होती है. ये सिर्फ लोगों का अच्छा सोच सकते हैं और अच्छा कर सकते हैं. And therefore, when we talk about social organizations, when we talk about NGOs, when we talk about group of people out to change the world for the better, men are a misfit here. Women are natural there. They work from the heart. Men work from the mind. And वही सबसे बड़ी, women work with passion. And that is what makes them special. And second, most important, we men folk कुछ भी करेंगे तो हम उसका शोर मचाएंगे, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, पब्लिसिटी करेंगे. And the women, it comes naturally to them, and therefore whenever they do any good, they do it silently, and that is what stands them out in this particular society. And आपने बोला शेर भी होने चाहिए, तो इस बात पे कि औरतें किस तरह खामोशी से सेवा करती है कि खामोशी से भी नेक काम होते हैं. खामोशी से भी नेक काम होते हैं. मैंने देखा है पेड़ों को छांव देते हुए, मैंने देखा है पेड़ों को छांव देते हुए. That is what women are. They are there sacrificing, giving, starting from the cause of the family, extending to the cause of the community, to the nation. But what is special about them is they do it silently. And finally, when we are in the business of touching lives and changing lives. We know it is easier said than done. ये काम बोलने में आसान होगा मगर होता बड़ा कठिन है. निस्वार्थ सेवा दुनिया की सबसे कठिन चीज है और उसमें हम पुरुष लोग प्रूवन फेलियर्स हैं. जब भी कोई मुश्किल काम होता है हम आधे रास्ते जाते हैं और हमारे अंदर वो पैशन नहीं है, वो जुनून नहीं है, वो जिद नहीं है कि हम वो काम को मुश्किलें पार करके भी कंप्लीट कर लें. Whereas the women folk, they have that streak of stubbornness in them. जिद्दी होते हैं, हार नहीं मानते हैं, जो चीज सोचते हैं करके ही बैठते हैं. तो इस फील्ड में, द फील्ड ऑफ सर्विंग आवर कम्युनिटी सेल्फलेसली, वी नीड दिस ब्रीड women because they are the ones ideally suited to make this country, this community and the world a better place to be in. और आप लोगों की ये जो जिद रहती है महिलाओं की, इस बात पे दो पंक्तियां कह के अपनी बात आप लोग के समक्ष खत्म करूंगा कि ये मुश्किल काम में आप लोग की जिद कैसी काम आती है कि मंजिलें भी जिद्दी है, रास्ते भी जिद्दी है. मंजिलें भी जिद्दी है, रास्ते भी जिद्दी है. पहुंच ही जाएंगे मंजिल तक. हमारे हौसले भी तो जिद्दी है, हमारे हौसले भी तो जिद्दी है. तो बस आई सैल्यूट दिस stubborn streak in women which make them so much better individuals and citizens of the world. Wishing this program and wishing Innerwheel all the very best. Thank you so very much. It was an honor and a pleasure to be amongst all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shabbir ji. And a very nice shairi that you added up to our request. Thank you so much. Now I request past district chairman and district CCCC, Mrs. Kirti Chande, to please introduce guest of honor, Association President, Mrs. Vasudha Chandrachud.
Thank you, Pravina. District Chairman Meenal, President Monica, Gandhi City Varda President Monica, Association President Vasudha, International Innerwheel President Beena ji, Guest Speaker Ved Prakash Mishra ji, District Governor Shabbir Bhai, Special Invitee PAP Sarita and all Innerwheel friends. I am Kirti Chande, past District Chairman and Constitution Credential Committee Chairman. Very glad to introduce Association President. Oh, first of all, I would like to share my PPT. Oh, okay. Is it okay, Pravina, Rashmi? दिख रही है सबको?
नहीं. अब yes.
लेते जाना स्क्रीनशॉट. अच्छा ठीक है, स्क्रीनशॉट.
Please start.
I'm very glad to introduce Association President Vasudha Chandrachud, a highest ranking personality of the Association of Innerville Clubs in India. A beautiful and charming lady. Vasudha is born and brought up in Nasik, which is in Innerville District 303. She holds a BSc Microbiology degree with first class distinction from Pune University. She is directly involved in her family business of manufacturing industrial chemicals and aromatherapy skincare products. This is the secret of her beauty. A change maker, Vasudha joins Innerville Club Devnar. She joins Innerville Club of Devnar in District 314 and she was Vice Club President, Secretary and various posts. Vasudha won several awards and trophies for her work, which is always appreciated in her District 314 and other districts too. In 2004 and 5, she joined District Executive Committee as District Editor. After serving most successfully, became District Chairman in 2009. As she is the change maker, at first in District 314 as District Secretary, she introduced a very convenient tabulated format for general body meeting. As District Chairman, she executed more two mega district projects which were very much appreciated. In her tenure as district chairman, external and internal growth of membership is increased in India. As she is the very active and devoted in Innerville District 314, she chaired various committees at district and inter-district level. Therefore, her Innerville graph is always rising. She became national editor in 2017 and 18. As a national editor, she managed website, printed book on Project Bank, made documentary of project. Vasudha attended various international and national Innerville celebrations, conference, South Asia rallies, and Innerville club functions. She is very lucky. She is very lucky. This year, 2021, a special year for her. As the first time, India is hosting International Convention on 3rd to 6th March 2021 in Jaipur, and International Innerville President 2021 is Binaji Vyas from India. We are all very much lucky for this. She is recognized for her social service in her area, Chembur, as a golden woman. Vasudha is very happy with her family. She happily married to Rotarian Balla Chandrachud, who is Rotarian and belongs to eminent family of lawyers. Balla and Vasudha are best Rotary couples for the several times in their Rotary. She is PHF also. They blessed with 2 children, Aditya and Almitra, both married and well settled. Her happy family is the most happiest family with the inclusion of 3 grandchildren. Innerville friends are her most wonderful achievement. And Vasudha, we are very much lucky to have you as an association president and friend here. Thank you very much. Please meet Vasudha here. Thank you.
Thank you, Kirti ji, for a wonderful introduction. I now request our association president, a beautiful and a charming lady, Vasudha Chandrachud, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Kirti, for wonderful introduction. District Chairman Meenal, IIW President, Chief Guest of today, Dr. Beena Vyas, all association presidents, all association dignitaries, I can say, including Rashmi from your own district and Sarita. I could see only both. If there are any, please acknowledge. All the PDCs from District 303 and other districts, members, lovely members of District 303. It is my pleasure to be here. Frankly, when you've got certain cords attached to certain people, so when Meenal called me that you are having this webinar, and I got this information little late, and I'm in no position to take so many commitments, but when it was said 303, my heart really jumped. I said it's a chance for me in this COVID, at least to see my dear friends on Zoom. And I said, yes, Meenal, I'm coming, but if I leave little early, is it okay? And she agreed. And in fact, more than you, I am happy today to see all my near and dear friends. Here, I would like to mention something that Wardha, which is today the president, host club is there. Well, I would like to thank the president of Wardha Club, Monica Poddar. See, I have preserved this. Thank you for sending me beautiful flowers. You know, this happiness cannot be measured in anything. Just thinking that someone really remembers you and they think good about you. I'm overwhelmed and thank you from my heart.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
In Wardha, because it has got some connection with my idea and my feelings of patriotism. My grandfather was a mining engineer. People from that area, they know how big that post is in Chandrapur, Babu Pet Colliery. And I'm born in Chandrapur. And I used to go at least twice a year to Chandrapur, getting down at Wardha, right, Pravina? And then we used to get down, and that small train, you know, small that used to load our things again and go. So many times when my Mama Ji used to come to pick us up, he was a big patriotic person, I must say, is no more. So he used to take me to this Sevadam, this Wardha, all the places he showed. And as a small child also, it has got such a deep, beautiful impression on me. It was very clean, very serene, and such a beautiful place. And I understood what good things are in the world. And I have seen that, and I always felt why there are not many things like that in the world. And I feel when patriotism comes, we should feel proud about such small, big things which are around us. Because in our busy life, we forget what are the great things are around us. We never ever think Wardha is also having that historic importance. So there are lakhs of such places. But I'm telling from my experience, if Innerville works on making the children visit or making them aware of such places, so like me, they will never forget its importance. So just few days, 2-3 days back, I'm going everywhere for the P for patriotism, because it is a goal of association, P. So one, Brigadier Vijay Dhiman, he told very beautifully that after retirement, he started visiting schools, giving lectures on 15th August, 26th January, and his grandchildren are there in the school, and at home they used to say, don't come to our school and give big lectures. So he said, why? It is a time that we have to tell you to know what patriotism is. He said, but you tell this is there. आप क्या है बताते हैं, लेकिन हम ये कैसे करें नहीं बताते. You never, not a single speaker tells what to do. And then he struck me. Innerville is there who always tells what to do. That is the beauty of our organization. So taking P for patriotism is very natural for us, and we are always working on these things. So I feel this year, just few hours, 48 hours also are not there. We can promote, we can celebrate our Independence Day in a special way. That let us celebrate this Independence Day by taking pledge that I'm a responsible Indian. I think that is the biggest and different message this year, all Innerville members, we can give to the world. Of course, social media is there. Not putting your own photographs along with the flags. Of course, it is not allowed also and not very dignified, but you can nicely put one message everywhere apart from Innerville, because it's a patriotism. I want to guide my Innerville friends from 303 that we have got so many WhatsApp group. एक मम्मी के साइड का, एक डैडी के साइड का, हमारा किटी ग्रुप होता है, बच्चों का पीटीए का ग्रुप होता है. Outside world should know how passionate, how compassionate, how sincere we are. And this year our motto is, we are celebrating Independence Day, not just waving the flags, but taking the pledge. I am a responsible Indian. And when we do that, I think we are doing justice to this special year with problems and challenging year. And still world will come to know that these people, they don't stop thinking all good in this difficult time. They have not gone back. The Innerville was just an appendix. It was just an extra activity. No, they are into it. And they remember that taking responsibility in this difficult time is the most patriotic thing one can do. And it starts from very small things you will get, that I don't waste food. I'm a responsible Indian. I take care of senior citizens. I take care of my heritage sites. I don't break signal, very small. But I always feel that if we take responsibility of our acts, government paraphernalia will be free to do their jobs. I'm grown with all those wars, and many people, my friends sitting over there, China war, Pak war, every time we won. But I feel that time we fought one war, and everybody, maybe we are very small or big, we were passionate and we used to sing songs and give donations and क्या-क्या करते थे, हमारे parents भी क्या-क्या करते थे. तो वो तो एक बार हमने सही जीता, लेकिन मैं सोचती हूँ ये साल जो हमारा चैलेंजिंग ईयर है, वहां तो 3 wars है. You will agree with me, because one is Corona, second is our border is as it is volatile, more problems there, so our jawans are busy, and third is economic war. From everywhere, India is facing big war. So what we can do? We can't join army, we can't do anything extra, but we can take responsibility of our acts. We can see that there is a communal harmony. We can tell our jawans that thank you, you are saving our border, and we are taking care of here. कि सब यहाँ सुकून है, आपको यहाँ आना नहीं पड़ेगा, इधर कुछ राइट्स हुए तो. No, we are responsible Indians. We understand what we are supposed to do. So I think if we think also on those lines, if we cannot go out, but if we can share also these thoughts with our friends, relatives, maybe at Innerville member, I think it is a true tribute to India on this Independence Day. This year will be very smooth, very soon. We will be meeting physically at many times. But I really congratulate you that you all keep your morale high. It is like you are keeping me alive. You are keeping Innerville alive, because we are administrative body. We can just guide, support. But all my president, I say 2021, they are doing all that. They are keeping Innerville alive by finishing their work. Maybe it is on the, it has become too, I mean, ज़्यादा ही हो गया है, but ये webinars है, वो यहाँ जान से यहाँ बैठते हैं, attend करते हैं. They have accepted this way of life. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart to keep Innerville going. District 303, when Rashmi Sharma, all my close friends, all PDCs are there, and Minal, wonderful human being. So when they are there, I'm sure I can motivate you only once in a while coming here, but they are there to keep you motivated, and I'm sure 303 is also going to shine this year by such wonderful activities. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Vasudha ji, for wonderful speech that you all inspired us. I recognize the presence of Mrs. Reena from 324, Association Treasurer, Rita Bhargava, and I also acknowledge the presence of PDC Dr. R. Savitri, District 313, Images Past District Chairman and AC Member 303 Vaijanti Pathak, PDC Veena Waghela, Innerville District 303, and PDC Varsha Kotpalliwar, Innerville District 303. Thank you very much, Vasudha ji.
My pleasure.
Great and benevolent leader of our and our chief guest, International Inner Wheel President, Dr. Beenaji Vyas, who believe in the keywords of inner wheel, that is friendship and service, will be introduced by PAPN Association CCCC, Dr. Rashmi Sharma. Over to Rashmi ji.
Hello, everybody. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Respected and dear all, proud to introduce my friend, philosopher and guide, and our 2020-21 President of International Inner Wheel, Dr. Beena Vyas, a benevolent person, an initiator of many things for Inner Wheel, a nurturer of talent, and an admirable personality. On professional front, Dr. Beena Vyas was a senior officer in National Dairy Development Board for 15 years with a focus on publications, press, and public relations, has written school and college English textbooks, was master trainer of English teachers of Gujarat, and has published papers on education system and methodology of teaching. Member of Inner Wheel Club of Anand since 1984. That makes it 36 years around, I think. President in 1986-87. District Chairman of District 306 in 93-94. Association President and National Representative in 2011-12. Dr. Beena Vyas has many achievements and has given many firsts as a credit in Inner Wheel in India and the world. As a district extension service organizer for 3 years, opened 10 new clubs and revived around 12 clubs in the district. In those times, this was not a very easy task. She is the only one from Gujarat to adorn the post of association president, during which she initiated image building zonal seminars, organized first ever national conference in India for the past district chairman, started 85 new clubs with membership increasing by around 3,000. And this is very important. We did not have a C categories of people belonging, women belonging to non-Inner Wheel or non-Rotary. She has undertook multi-district projects and also involved districts 3222 of Sri Lanka and of she led the then largest delegation of 101 members from India, the 15th IIW convention held at Istanbul, Turkey in 2012. As PAP, her achievements are the first literacy coordinator for Inner Wheel clubs in India, 2014-15. She was the national zonal literacy coordinator for 2015 to 2019, during which she inspired districts and clubs to open 600 happy schools, an achievement indeed, I would say. She chaired the important session Vision 2024 in the 16th International Inner Wheel Convention in Copenhagen, Denmark in May 2015, initiated and helped to form the first Inner Wheel District 350 in Nepal in April 2014, and was also invited as trainer by Sri Lanka District 322. She still has on and on. As International Inner Wheel President, it's just 1 month, and I could say for the first time ever, we all know it was told by District CCCC Kirti ji that Vasudha will also be there in the International Inner Wheel Convention. Last 50 years, 1970 it was started, and for the first time, India has been given the opportunity to host it, and our own IIW President, Dr. Beena Vyas, shall be presiding over it. What an honor for our country. She has for the first time given goals in Inner Wheel for others to follow. For the first time, she has organized training programs for Inner Wheel board directors on national level and the national levels. अभी तो picture बाकी है मेरे दोस्तों, बहुत कुछ देखना बाकी है. At every leadership position, she has performed with distinction and record-breaking achievements. As a strong woman, she sets her standards high and will never have to settle for less. She believes she can and she will. With her theme, Lead the Change, we all will definitely witness positive changes. She has also been the charter president of Rotary Club of Anand Mid-City, formed in January 2018. And at that same year, she got rupees 60 lakhs worth global grants for upgrading 10 municipal schools, among other main achievements. She is married to PDG Mayur Vyas, who served as managing director of the third largest dairy in Asia, Sabar Dairy, Himmatnagar, and presently is senior consultant with Uttam Dairy, Ahmedabad. Their daughter Rohini is working as project executive in a multinational company, Tetra Pak Global at Pune. She again is a Rotarian as well as Innerwheel member. With this, I introduce to you all this dedicated, different, distinctive, and dynamic president of International Innerwheel 2021, Dr. Beena Vyas. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Rashmi ji, for wonderful introduction of our IIW president, Dr. Beena ji. Welcome, Beena ji. And we are so honored and so happy that you are with us. Over to you, Beena ji.
District Chairman Meenal Lathi, Convener, past District Chairman Ravina Kher, PAP and CCC, and a very, very dear friend of mine, Dr. Rashmi Sharma, PAP Sarita Lunani, District Executive Members, District Governor of 3030, Shabir ji, keynote speaker, a very renowned scholar, Dr. Ved Prakash Mishra ji, past district chairman, members of District 303, president and members of Vardha Club, and invited guests. I do not know why Rashmi has gone back on her words. She had promised to stick to just 2 minutes of my introduction. And now she has really gone to the whole thing, and I am embarrassed, certainly, because I don't need to be introduced in your district particularly. But nevertheless, my dear friend, thank you so much, Rashmi. I'm very happy to be in your district today for this very unique program. And that too on the eve of our Independence Day, the 74th Independence Day. And the subject is also very appropriate, patriotism. Though we are all aware in our country, what is patriotism? Maybe we have not defined it the way it should be. Maybe we ourselves fail to find the right words to define patriotism. It's a very heavy word, frankly speaking. Because we have never felt the need to describe it, ever, to anyone. We always have felt, we know. So though we are aware of our country and our feelings for our country, I think that it is necessary to remind ourselves about our own feelings for our nation. Friends, what is patriotism? Patriotism is a feeling. It is a devotion to our country. It is a feeling of love and attachment for our country. It is a feeling of belongingness with other citizens of our country, whether it is by culture, political, historical, social, or ethnic. There is a feeling of pride in our nation. This is what I feel is patriotism. It may sound to others whatever way they want, but this is what I think anybody would like to describe. It's loyalty, devotion, pride in our own country. Maybe we don't express it to that extent again and again. But patriotism, friends, is not something with which we are all born with. It is parents who have to instill the feeling of patriotism in their children, that devotion, that love, and that affection, the care that we should be having for our own country as we feel for our own mother. We should instill the love and pride in them for our country. And also, because we have been noticing for a number of years now, I have seen also parents who take pride in saying, today, where are your children today? They have not gone to school on Independence Day. And they say, आज उसको नहीं जाने की इच्छा थी, इसलिए वो नहीं गया. But encourage our children to attend the celebrations like Independence Day, Republic Day in their schools and colleges. This feeling of patriotism, friends, it instills a sense of unity, a sense of solidarity, a sense of love, and all this binds us together as citizens of our country. It is respect and pride for our national flag, for our history, for our culture, for our glory that we have all lived and heard from our parents, our great-grandparents. It is respect for those who serve our country. It is our love and respect that goes out to all the freedom fighters and to all those who have given up their precious lives for our country. It is to the defense forces who are working at the borders 24/7, 365 days. We can show patriotism. It is not that we should only feel it. We can show our patriotism, our pride, our loyalty to our country. And how can we do that? That is by exercising our right to vote in elections. Never skip that right that we have been given, so that we can bring the right candidates in our country to rule us. We can fly high the national flag at all government offices, even in inaugural functions. If possible, if we can do, we are showing our pride and making others also realize how important it is for inaugural members. By supporting and protecting our national property, that no damage should be done to our property. By respecting and honoring our soldiers who not only protect us at the borders, but who rescue us during calamities and who are ready to lay down their lives for the country without bothering about their families or their own personal lives. We as citizens, friends, we can show our patriotism, and we can do that by educating ourselves, giving ourselves good education, by giving ourselves a comfortable life first, and taking care of our families, and then help and contribute to the society. Because we have taken from the society for all these years, and it is now our responsibility to give it back to the society. We should help our country in her progress and development, and try to spread the message of harmony and peace wherever it is possible, whether it is in our own small areas, in our towns, in our cities, and even in Innerville, which is the largest NGO today in the world. Friends, I appreciate the initiative taken by First 3 to 4, where I was present a couple of days ago, and now District 303, for taking this initiative and organizing this program on such a wonderful subject like patriotism. I know we are not subject experts to talk on this. Today, we are all lucky to have a very renowned scholar and a great speaker amidst us, Dr. Ved Prakash Ji Mishra, who will give us an excellent talk, give us information about this topic. I would like to thank Pravina Meenal, and Rashmi, who literally coaxed me into accepting today's invitation. But I love it all the more because I'm so happy to be present amidst all of you. And at least, if not meet you physically, but at least see you, see your faces. And I know that after this meet, so many messages are going to come from my dear friends, past chairman, and I will be very happy to keep interacting with them through messages. Congratulations to Meenal and Pravina for organizing this wonderful event. Thank you.
Thank you, respected Binaji, for your inspiring and meaningful words. We feel very honored and by your presence and will always remember your kind gesture.
Thank you.
The new hashtag floating around in our imagination of a modern and rational life of commerce and business is hashtag vocal for local, vocal for local. India therefore has an all new hashtag in the era of COVID. Go local, trust local, and vocal for local. So now I'm going to introduce magnanimous personality, our keynote speaker, Dr. Ved Prakash Ji Mishra, who will be highlighting the new hashtag vocal for local. It is indeed my proud privilege to introduce a versatile personality, Dr. Ved Prakash Ji Mishra. I recall few lines of Sant Kabir Das Ji, who was going, when I was going through his 42 pages long profile. धरती सब कागज करूं, लिखनी सब बन रहा, सात समुंदर की मसी करूं, गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए. So the great teacher, the great philosopher, and a great personality that we are today going to hear, our Dr. Ved Prakash Ji Mishra, has been conferred with the prestigious B.C. Roy Award for the year 2016 at the hands of Honorable President of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next. He had been the national head of Indian program UNESCO Bioethics Chair, Haifa, and it is being very much recognized at that time when he was a chair over there. He was Chancellor of Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, deemed to be University Karad. He is a Pro-Chancellor of Datta Mega Institute of Medical Sciences, deemed to be University, where I am also working. He is Dean of Academics and Accreditation Board, National Indian Medical Association, New Delhi. He is an Honorary Professor of Indian Medical Association. He is Honorary Director of Center for Health Sciences, Education Policy, Policy and Planning, DMIMS, that is Deemed University, Nagpur. He is former Chairman of Postgraduate Medical Education Committee, Medical Council of India. He has been former Chairman, Academic Council, Medical Council of India, New Delhi. He has been Professor Emeritus, as we all know, who has got a great knowledge, great work in the teaching. He had been Professor Emeritus in Sharda University, Noida, Uttar Pradesh, KITS University, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, Swami Rama Himalayan University of Medical Sciences, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad, UP, DMIMS, Datta Mega Institute of Medical Sciences, deemed to be University. He is Professor of Eminence, that he can keep that particular word, that because of his laborious work in teaching, that he had been the Professor of Eminence in Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, Karad, and the Datta Institute of Medical Sciences, Nagpur. He had been awarded with multiple awards. To quote few of them, they include Hinda Ratan Award in 2011, Glory of India Award, Bharat Vikas Ratna Award, New Delhi International Institute of Awareness, Lifetime Achievement Awards at World Spiritual Parliament and World Management Congress, Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award with Vidarbha Bhushan Award, Golden Educationist of India Award, Dr. P.N. Krishnamurti Oration Award, few eminent representation that she had made, and that is very, very important. The first medical teacher to be nominated on the Finance and Development Committee of International Association of Medical Regulatory Authority, represented India as a leader of Indian delegation before the National Committee for the Accreditation of Foreign Medical Qualification in United States of America at Washington. I just want to give some glimpses where he always conducted continuing medical education to keep our doctors updated and all the others separated. He also has conveyed many of the this as a chancellor. He also spoke in various convocations that he convened, and Vinayaka Mission's Research Foundation has given him Doctor of Science Award. He has already been a father figure to all of the students, getting shaped into a beautiful and a wonderful renowned doctors, and that his speech will itself tell us that how the students he has been made to be honored with, and that is where we always look upon him as one of the greatest speaker, one of the greatest teacher that we ever have. Before inviting sir on the microphone, I just remember few lines of great poet Satyakam Vidyalankar, that is, निर्माता है ये निज पथ के, बने विधाता ये विधि सुध के, है अनंत इनमें क्षमताएं, अंतर में विश्वास जगाते, अपने सूर्य आप बन जाते. I just request our keynote speaker, Dr. Ved Prakash Ji Mishra, for his address. Everybody is waiting for his address.
Thank you very much, Dr. Praveena, for very benevolent and very charitably liberal words. I thank you from the core of my heart. Respected Madam Beena Vyasji, International President of the leading organization. Respected Madam Chandrachud, the National President of Association of Inner Wheel Clubs of India. The chairperson for the day and the chairman of the organizing committee, Madam Lathi, Madam Monica Podar, the district governor, esteemed Shabir Bhai, Madam Praveena, all the office bearers, participants, invitees into this global webinar, a very notable initiative undertaken by the Inner Wheel Club of Gandhi City of Varda. I deem it my pleasure and privilege alike to be blessed with this opportunity of talking to this eminent galaxy of my learned sisters of India drawn from the various places on a very cogent and a meaningful platform. I definitely would like to derive parables that have been put across by the previous speakers in a very erudite manner on the theme of patriotism. Be it Madam Chandrachud, be it Madam Vyas, be it Shabir Bhai, the underlying focus which has been brought out is something which is very reflective, very vivid, very timely, apt, and relevant alike. Very rightly put in that to define patriotism perhaps is tough and difficult. But then, if patriotism is to be felt at its seat, then this conference should have been exclusively organized only and only by Inner Wheel Club of Varda city, because the seat of patriotism in this country, where from the father of the nation guided the entire freedom struggle of this country, is seated in Sevagram, those small little four walls which not only reverberated freedom for this country, but reverberated humanism for the entire world. And it is in that context, ladies and gentlemen, I feel privileged to be talking to this erudite gathering of eminent women folk across the country on a very vital aspect. I refuse to agree that vocal for local is a connotation which is a recent parable. I would like to recall one of the cardinal parameters that was adopted by Mahatma Gandhi in his freedom struggle. What it was Swadeshi. What did it mean? Symbolically, it meant that every citizen of this country, every Indian fighting for the freedom of Mother India, he will be only preferring Swadeshi. And he not only said Swadeshi, but he also said Videshi Cheezon ka Bahishkar. The ambit which I am wanting to advocate is not something new and novel that I am supposed to be preaching to this learned gathering. It is well laid. One of the strongest weapons of the freedom struggle of this country, including in the 20-point program of construction given by Mahatma Gandhi, Swadeshi turns out to be one of the most brilliant dispositions which virtually crippled the economy of that British Empire, जिसके बारे में कहा जाता था कि सूर्य उनकी धरती पर कभी अस्त नहीं होता, उस ब्रिटिश एम्पायर की नींव हिलाने का काम महात्मा गांधी के उस स्वदेशी मूवमेंट के माध्यम से उसकी भूमिकाएं तक चरमरा गईं, यह हकीकत है. This is the connotation which I am wanting to put across. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the entire proposition of vocal for local, in my understanding, is nothing but it is a real replica of patriotism which is required to be built afresh, which is required to be percolated afresh, which is required to be operated afresh, and which is required to be not only taken as a whispering campaign in this country, but as an operational campaign in this country for the purposes of resurrection of the economic order, which will be totally demolished out of the present epidemic which has taken the entire globe into its fold. What for it is, why it ought to be, how it ought to be, these are the million-dollar questions. I was contemplating for myself and two important significant incidents I would like to put across to all of you. 14 साल के वनवास के लिए राम जब अयोध्या से निकले, तब वो अयोध्या से कुछ लेकर नहीं निकले थे, पर जब वो अयोध्या को क्रॉस कर रहे थे, अयोध्या की सरहद से आगे बढ़ रहे थे, उस समय उन्होंने कुछ चीज अपने साथ ली जो 14 वर्ष उनके साथ रही. भाई लक्ष्मण उनके साथ थे, भगवती सीता उनके साथ थीं, पर उनके साथ कुछ और था. भाई लक्ष्मण की उन्होंने पूजा नहीं की, मां भगवती सीता की आराधना उन्होंने नहीं की. अयोध्या की सरहद से उन्होंने कुछ लिया था जिसकी 14 वर्ष किसी ईश्वर की आराधना राम ने वनवास के अंतर्गत नहीं की, केवल शिव की आराधना, वह भी शिवलिंगों की स्थापना के नाम पर एक चीज उनके पास थी जिसे पूजा स्थली के अंतर्गत वो रखते थे. प्रातः विधि के अंतर्गत सबसे पहले पूजा का धर्म अगर किसी के साथ निभाते थे, वो थी अयोध्या की मिट्टी जो अपने साथ लेके गए थे, जिसे उन्होंने अपनी पूजा स्थली के अंतर्गत रखा था. और उसी की आराधना और पूजा जिसकी जगत पूजा करता है, वो जिस चीज की पूजा करता था, वो मां भारती की अयोध्या, उनकी जन्मभूमि की वो माटी थी, माटी का ढेला था जो वो वहां पर अपनी पूजा स्थली के अंतर्गत रखकर उसकी पूजा किया करते थे. I am asking, what was that? That was symbolism, ladies and gentlemen. What symbolism it was? It was a symbolism of affinity for mother and affinity for motherland. That motherland which is identity. That motherland which is affinity. That motherland which is astitva, and that motherland which is asmita. These are the contours in which a motherland is required to be perceived. The significance of this particular aspect, ladies and gentlemen, gains momentum because we need to turn the pages of the history. 1945, House of Commons, Winston Churchill, the Prime Minister of India, when he rose to reply on to Indian Freedom Bill, what did he say? What he said is deplorable, but it needs to be recalled. क्या कहा था विंस्टन चर्चिल ने उस समय हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स को एड्रेस करते हुए? उन्होंने कहा था कि whom you are giving freedom, आप किसे फ्रीडम देना चाहते हैं? Are they a nation? क्या वे एक राष्ट्र हैं? They do not have even notion about the word nation. They are a country of snakes and snake charmers. Take it from me, down the line, within 25 years, the freedom that is being extended to them, they will dole it out in the nearest, they will dole it out and burn it out in the nearest lamppost that will be available to them, unquote. This was the perception that was envisioned and envisaged by Winston Churchill. Is it not imperative that we need to prove it wrong? 70, all these years of Indian freedom have proved that what he contemplated, what he described, what he imagined was an utter lie. There was not even an iota of truth, and all that collectivity has been denigrated by all of us is exclusively because our sense of commitment to Mother India, Mother Nation, and that is exactly our nationhood, nationality, identity, अस्तित्व, आगाज, अंजाम, और केवल आगाज और अंजाम नहीं, तेरे खातिर हम हैं, क्योंकि हमारे कारण तू नहीं, परंतु तेरे कारण हम हैं. It is that essence, ladies and gentlemen. क्या कहा था राम ने उस अयोध्या की माटी को रखते हुए कि अगर दुनिया में कहीं स्वर्ग की भावना और परिकल्पना को आप महसूस करना चाहते हैं तो वह केवल जन्मभूमि ही आपका स्वर्ग है. जन्मभूमि के अलावा धरती के ऊपर में दूसरा कोई स्वर्ग नहीं होता, और उस जन्मभूमि के प्रति प्रतिबद्धता यही पैट्रियोटिज्म है. अगर इसका प्रमाण चाहिए तो मुझे दूसरा हादसे का स्मरण आपको कराना होगा. अशफाक उल्लाह सुबह 4 बजे फांसी दी जाने वाली है. जेलर इच्छा पूछता है कि आपको घंटे भरे के बाद आप फांसी के फंदे पर चढ़ा दिए जाएंगे, आपकी आखिरी इच्छा क्या है? जेलर से कहते हैं कि आप मुझे एक कागज का टुकड़ा दीजिए, मैं उस पर मेरे वतन के लोगों के लिए, मेरे मादरे वतन के हम वतनों के लिए कुछ लिखना चाहता हूं. जो 1 घंटे के बाद फांसी पर झूल जाएगा वो कुछ लिखता है, लेकिन लिखने के पहले कहता है कि मुझे राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल से भी 2 मिनट मिलने दीजिए. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अशफाक उल्लाह का राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल के साथ जो कन्वर्सेशन है वो इस देश के पेट्रियोटिज्म का उच्चांक है, ये मैं कहने की इजाजत आपसे लेना चाहता हूं. क्या कहा होगा अशफाक उल्लाह ने राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल से? आई एम वांटिंग टू कोट दैट टू यू, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. द फर्वर ऑफ पेट्रियोटिज्म, the grit of patriotism, the direction of patriotism, the essence of patriotism, the ethos of patriotism emanates out of that conversation which I am wanting to put across. What did he say? राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल से मिलते हुए जिन्हें उन्हें भी फांसी दी जानी है, अशफाक उल्लाह कहते हैं कि राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, तुम कितने भाग्यवान हो. तुम इतने भाग्यवान हो कि कल फांसी पर चढ़ जाने के बाद भी तुम्हारा धर्म इजाजत देता है कि तुम्हें पुनर्जन्म मिलेगा और तुम्हें फिर से एक बार फांसी पर चढ़ जाने का मौका मिलेगा. ये अशफाक उल्लाह कितना अभागा है कि मेरा धर्म पुनर्जन्म की इजाजत नहीं देता और कल फांसी के फंदे पर चढ़ जाने के बाद दोबारा अशफाक उल्लाह मां भारती की आजादी के लिए फिर फांसी पे नहीं चढ़ पाएगा. दैट इज पेट्रियोटिज्म, दैट इज एसेंस. मर जाने की जिद हमें और आपको जिलाने के लिए जिन्होंने हंसते हंसते फांसी के फंदे चूम लिए, वो हमारे पेट्रियोटिज्म के गमक हैं. They are the milestones, they are the benchmarks, they are the inspirating focus, they are the inspiring mechanism which are required to be taken up for deciphering as to what patriotism is. क्या लिखा होगा अशफाक उल्लाह ने? आज भी लंदन म्यूजियम के अंतर्गत चले जाइए. लंदन म्यूजियम के अंतर्गत अशफाक उल्लाह का वो लिखा हुआ पन्ना जो जेलर ने सजो करके रखा था, इसलिए नहीं कि वो शासक था, वो तो अशफाक को फांसी देने जा रहा था, परंतु इसलिए कि वो भी पेट्रियट था और उसने उसे संभाल करके लिखा. क्या लिखा होगा अशफाक उल्लाह ने? वो आदमी जो अपने फांसी के फंदे के सामने खड़ा है, जिंदगानी के आखिरी लम्हात उसके सामने खड़े हैं, उस समय जो लिखता है मित्रों, वही इस देश की धरोहर है. वो लिखता है, वतन की आबरू का पास देखें कौन करता है. सुना है आज मक्तल में हमारा इम्तहां होगा, इलाही वो भी दिन होगा जब अपना राज देखेंगे, हमारी ही जमी होगी, हमारा आसमां होगा, शहीदों की चिताओं पर जुड़ेंगे हर बरस मेले, वतन पे मरने वालों का यही बाकी निशान होगा. These are the words which are penned by him. These are the contours which are expressed by him. These are the words and these are the parables which define patriotism for the generations to come in this country. This is the thread which has to be picked in order to make it vibrate deep into our hearts, for making it reverberate for only one cause, that India is not a notion to me. It is my nation. It is my nation, and it is my nation. I am India, and in me, India resides. That is the contour of patriotism. It is to be felt. It is to be perceived. It is to be deciphered. And permit me to say, Madam Chairperson, it is to be lived, relived, and lived 1,000 times. The number of breaths that you and me are wanting to take for life. In every breath, if at all, there has to be a fresh lease to be incorporated. It is patriotism, patriotism, and nothing else. That is the essence of patriotism. I am tempted to quote, जिस विंस्टन चर्चिल को नेशन, इन ए नोशन, दे डू नॉट हैव इवन अ नोशन ऑफ द वर्ड नेशन. इसका उत्तर देश के एक भूतपूर्व प्रधानमंत्री ने राष्ट्र की व्याख्या करते हुए दिया है. उस मन स्पंदित भाव को मैं रखना चाहूंगा. राष्ट्र केवल भूभाग का एक टुकड़ा नहीं होता. राष्ट्र अस्तित्व का गर्व होता है. राष्ट्र अस्मिता का उच्चांक होता है. राष्ट्र जीवन की शैली होती है. राष्ट्र जीवन का अभिनव सौंदर्य होता है. राष्ट्र जीवन की पहचान होती है. राष्ट्र जीवन की महिमा होती है. राष्ट्र जीवन की गरिमा होती है. राष्ट्र जीवन का आश्रय होता है. राष्ट्र जीवन का प्रश्रय होता है. राष्ट्र जीवन का गंतव्य होता है. राष्ट्र जीवन का मंतव्य होता है. राष्ट्र जीवन की अनुभूति होती है. राष्ट्र ही जीवन का अनुभव होता है. राष्ट्र है तो सब कुछ है, राष्ट्र नहीं तो कुछ नहीं. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ राष्ट्र. ये राष्ट्र है. प्रत्येक स्पंदित हृदय के अंतर्गत बसने वाला स्पंदन, बार बार जिस स्पंदित धारणा को व्यक्त करता है, वह राष्ट्र है. इट इज फॉर दिस राष्ट्र, इट इज फॉर दिस नेशन दैट जॉन कैनेडी हैड टू से, एंड आई एम कोटिंग, wanting to link what I am wanting to advocate, ladies and gentlemen. Kennedy said, care not what the country does for you, but care what you do for the country. राष्ट्र मेरे लिए क्या करता है, ये मेरे चिंता का विषय नहीं होना चाहिए. मेरी चिंता का विषय ये हो कि मैं राष्ट्र के लिए क्या करता हूं. आप सोचिए, बापू ने केवल 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 स्वदेशी के नाम पर विदेशी कपड़ों की होली रची थी. देश के अंतर्गत एक वातावरण निर्मित हुआ. उस स्पंदन की उस चिंगारी ने अलख जगा दी. जिस इकोनॉमी के आधार पर, जिसे इकोनॉमिस्ट मैनचेस्टेरियन मॉडल ऑफ इकोनॉमी की बात करते हैं, which is the backbone of the economic imperialism as a result of which the entire British Empire came to be created. उस मैनचेस्टेरियन इकोनॉमी, उस मैनचेस्टेरियन मॉडल ऑफ इकोनॉमी की दुनिया के अंतर्गत अगर एक झटके में किसी ने कमर तोड़ दी, उस कमर तोड़ वार का नाम था स्वदेशी का प्रचलन, जो महात्मा गांधी ने, until and unless the British economy would have been crippled from within, the Manchesterian model would not have been eroded. Take it for granted, even Second World War would not have been enough to erode the supremacy of the British Empire, resulting in paving the way for the freedom of not only India, but many other countries in the world which were there under the British yoke. We should not forget. And therefore, in that context, ladies and gentlemen, we need to understand certain economic parables before we decipher the meaning of the contour, why we need to advocate vocal for local. How is it? Have we ever realized that the present warfare after the collapse of British Empire in the Second World War, it is not the colonialism which is operational in the world. It is economic imperialism which is operational in the world. And that economic imperialism, only one indication I will give. What is the global currency of the world? Ruble is not the global currency. Rupee is not the global currency. Pound is not the global currency. The global currency is dollar. And that is a sign of economic imperialism. The economic power is dominated in terms of the gross national produce. that national produce which gives the worth and credence to the currency, and that currency which is expected to be there at the highest manifestation dominates the world through the ages of economic imperialism. What is the basic essence of this economic imperialism? The essence of basic imperialism is export and import equity and balance. If there is a balance between import and export, currency is balanced. Currency is not balanced in the model world in terms of how much gold you have been in a position to balance the equity. It is balanced in terms of what is your export extent and what is your import extent. Today, if you take into entire consideration our gross domestic requirements, 80% we import and only 20% we export. This is the imbalance, and that is exactly what is resulting into a weakened economy, inter alia, a weakened currency. Is it possible to consolidate it? My answer is yes. Consolidation is possible. Present day supremacy in the global situation is not by the warfare in terms of military war. It is not in terms of you going onto the alien land and capturing that land and establishing your colonies. It is basically out of the the ages of economic imperialism, as it is classically called as, strengthening your currency in the international market, making your currency viable in the international market, putting the equity which is workable for the purposes of ensuring your currency so that you are able to consolidate your position. It is the share market and the equity values there which decide as to what is the nature of the wind which is expected to flow. When we say we have fallen against the dollar, it means we have further economically weakened ourselves. Therefore, where is the mantra? I am not an economic expert, ladies and gentlemen. My only qualification is I am a hardcore nationalist, born and committed to the cause of this nation, wanting to serve it every bit in the mode and manner it is possible. And therefore, my advocacy is simple. आप कभी सोच करके देखें, ब्रांडेड माल के अंतर्गत जाकर के, मालों में जाकर के ब्रांडेड चीजें जब हम खरीदते हैं, आज तक कभी किसी ने बार्गेन करके खरीदा कि नहीं 10 रुपयाची गोष्ट मला 2 रुपयात दे? कभी नहीं होता. परंतु एक गरीब डोमेस्टिक प्रोड्यूस लेकर के अपने किनारे पर बैठी हुई सब्जी बेचने वाली आती है, 8 रुपए की सब्जी 6 रुपए में कैसी खरीद ली जाएगी, इस पर बार्गेन चलता है. मित्रों, बार्गेनेबल ये हमारा डोमेस्टिक प्रोड्यूस नहीं है, ये लिबरली खरीदा जाए, ये स्वदेशी है. जब तक हमारी अपनी इकोनॉमी को हम इंटरनल सर्कुलेशन के अंतर्गत मजबूत करेंगे, अपनी चीजों को मार्केट में लाकर अपनी चीजों को आवश्यक कीमतों पर खरीद कर मुनाफा जनरेट करेंगे फॉर द पर्पसेस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक सर्कुलेशन विद इन द कंट्री, तब तक इस देश की इकोनॉमी का रिसरेक्शन संभव नहीं है. आप सोचिए, लॉर्ड मैकॉले के कमीशन के अंतर्गत हम उसे केवल एजुकेशन कमीशन के नाम पर जानते हैं. व्हाट डिड लॉर्ड मैकॉले से? लॉर्ड मैकॉले ने 1835 की अपनी रिपोर्ट के अंतर्गत ब्रिटिश क्राउन को यह दी कि जब तक भारत की कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री खत्म नहीं होगी, हम इस देश पर राज नहीं कर पाएंगे. हम केवल एजुकेशनल पॉलिसी को लेकर के कि लॉर्ड मैकॉले ने एजुकेशन पॉलिसी बना करके बाबुओं के निर्माण के नाम पर देश की सारी स्वाधीनता को खत्म कर दी ना. देयर इज अ पैरेलल कॉन्टूर. हम भूल जाते हैं कि उसने ये कहा कि जब तक इस देश की इकोनॉमी को अगर आप नहीं तोड़ेंगे, और इस देश की इकोनॉमी कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री के अंतर्गत बसी हुई है. आप सोचिए उस इंडस्ट्री का स्वरूप क्या था. रिकॉल करिए कि ढाका के अंतर्गत जो मलमल बनती थी वो इतनी महीन थी कि 6 गज की साड़ी एक अंगूठी से निकाल दी जाती थी. दैट वॉज व्हाट ढाका मसलिन वॉज. शाहजहां जब अपनी बेटी का ब्याह कर रहा था, शाहजहां ने अपनी बेटी के ब्याह के अंतर्गत जिस साड़ी को अपनी बेटी को या जिस पहराव को पहनाया था, उसकी मसलिन ढाका से बनकर आई थी. दैट वाज द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ द कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री. लॉर्ड मैकॉले ने यह कहा कि जब तक आप हिंदुस्तान की कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री को चरमरा करके खत्म नहीं कर दोगे, आप इस देश की इकोनॉमी को कभी रूइन नहीं कर पाओगे, आप इस पर राज नहीं कर पाओगे. देयरफॉर द रूइनेज ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ इंडिया इज पॉसिबल ओनली इफ कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज आर डिसमेंटल्ड, एंड दैट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ जनरेशन ऑफ मैनचेस्टेरियन मॉडल ऑफ. मैं केवल स्पर्श करना चाहता हूं इन बिंदुओं को कि बिकॉज आई एम वांटिंग टू ड्राइव द पॉइंट होम. on the eve of the Independence Day that we are contemplating, I totally agree. We need to decipher the things. If the learned citizenship as it has been gathered over here, if we are not in a position to take the parable in a decisive manner with diligent argumentation, rationalistic and logical enough, perhaps we will never be in a position to go in for creation of that opinion. And therefore the need of the hour is domestic purchase at the cost which is affordable to both, resulting in generation of a profit to the seller to be used as a positive investment for further growth of domestic growth rate. The first requirement. The second requirement, बापू ने केवल अपने कर चरखे को क्यों चुना? बापू का सिंबल चरखा क्यों था? कभी हमने सोचा? बहुत टीका की। पंडित नेहरू को यह स्वीकार नहीं था। जिस इंडस्ट्रियल इकोनॉमी के अंतर्गत पंडित नेहरू विश्वास करते थे, गांधी के चरखे को वो कंजर्वेटिव और रिग्रेसिव स्टेप मानते थे। लेकिन गांधी का सिंपलिज्म भाइयों और बहनों बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। गांधी जानता था कि इस चरखे से निकली हुई कोर्स कपड़े के वस्त्र हम पहने, पर अंग्रेजों के मैनचेस्टेरियन इकोनॉमी से आने वाला वस्त्र, इसका हम बहिष्कार करें। मेरा कोर्स कपड़ा उसके महीन कपड़े के सामने खड़ा हो या न खड़ा हो, स्वीकार मैं इसे ही करूंगा, उसका बहिष्कार करूंगा। आज आप सोच करके देखिए, हमारे घर की दिवाली के अंतर्गत दिए भी हम जलाते हैं तो मेड इन चाइना के दिए लेकर के आते हैं और उस पर घर की दिवाली मनाते हैं, मानो मेड इन चाइना के दियों के अलावा अब हमारे घर की दिवाली तक मनाई नहीं जाएगी। परंतु उन दियों के अंतर्गत दिवाली मनाने वालों, तुम अपना दिवाला निकाल रहे हो और चाइना को दिवाली मनाने का सबब दे रहे हो। हम भूल जाते हैं। इकोनॉमिक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आज इस देश के अंतर्गत अगर कहीं पर खड़ा है तो आप मान करके चलिए, इकोनॉमिक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट केवल 2 देशों में है। उसका कारण है, आज आपके पास में जैसे पॉपुलेशन आपका एसेट है डेमोग्राफिक डिविडेंड के नाम पर, चाइना के पास भी पॉपुलेशन एसेट है। चाइना के पास आज भी उसकी कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री बरकरार है। उसकी कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री ने उसके लेबर कॉस्ट को इतना कम करके रखा हुआ है, और चूंकि पॉलिटिकल व्यवस्था भी उस कम कॉस्ट के खिलाफ किसी प्रकार के रिबेलियन की इजाजत नहीं देती। दैट इज द रीजन टुडे चाइना इज एबल टू कैप्चर 40% ऑफ द डोमेस्टिक मार्केट अक्रॉस द ग्लोब। आज आप जिस भगवान की आराधना करते हैं, उस भगवान की मूर्ति भी चाइना से बन करके आती है। इसलिए आपका भगवान भी अब चाइना की गिरफ्त के अंतर्गत मेड इन चाइना है। पूजा आप भगवान की करते हैं और सारे प्रसाद के बेनिफिट कीमतों के नाम पर आप चाइना को दे देते हैं। हम और आप ये महसूस तक नहीं करते हैं। देयरफॉर द रियल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, आने वाले 40 सालों का जो इकोनॉमिक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, वो उस कॉस्ट ऑफ लेबर, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन के साथ जुड़ी हुई है। जब तक आप कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन चीप नहीं करेंगे कंपैरेटिव तुलना में, तब तक आप मान करके चलिए आप ग्लोबल मार्केट के अंतर्गत एग्रेसिवली अपने आप को सेल नहीं कर पाएंगे। और अगर आप एग्रेसिवली सेल नहीं कर पाएंगे तो आपका इंपोर्ट बढ़ता जाएगा, एक्सपोर्ट लचर होता जाएगा, इकोनॉमिक वीकनेस कमजोर होती जाएगी, करेंसी वीक होती जाएगी, और आप इकोनॉमिक इंपीरियलिज्म के अंतर्गत फिर केवल एक मार्केट बन करके रह जाएंगे। हम कितने अनजान हैं, मैं इसका आपको उदाहरण देता हूं। इस देश के अंतर्गत मुगली सल्तनत ने इत्र पैदा किया। दुनिया इत्र नहीं जानती थी, और आज जिस देश के अंतर्गत इत्र पैदा हुआ करता था, जिस देश के अंतर्गत गुलाब पैदा होता है, जिस देश के अंतर्गत केवड़ा पैदा होता है, आप जाकर के केवल परफ्यूम इंडस्ट्री की इकोनॉमी का जिक्र देख लीजिए। फ्रांस की परफ्यूम इंडस्ट्री का टोटल जो प्रोड्यूस है, उसका 40% यूज हिंदुस्तान करता है। हम तमाम जो सेंट की खुशबू से अपने आप को महफूज किए हुए हैं, ये फ्रांस की इकोनॉमी को मजबूत करता है। मुझे सुगंधित बनाता है केवल सूंघने के लिए, और उन्हें मजबूत और पुख्ता बनाता है इकोनॉमी के आधार पर। आप सोच कर देखें कि हम कभी इन छोटी छोटी, वी आर नॉट एबल टू टेक द स्मॉल कडल्स इनटू अवर ऑपरेशन। हम ये महसूस करते कि नहीं नहीं सेंट तो ब्रांडेड लगाएंगे। अरे ब्रांडेड से के अंतर्गत तेरे घर का दिवाला निकल रहा है, उसकी दिवाली सज रही है, इसका ख्याल कर। फिर मुझे लौट करके याद आती है 14 अगस्त ऑन द ईव ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, अल्लामा इकबाल ने एक बात कही थी, और अल्लामा इकबाल की उस बात का जिक्र फिर उस कागज के टुकड़े पर लिखी हुई 4 पंक्तियों का स्मरण कराना चाहता हूं। उन्होंने लिखा था, वतन की फिक्र करना दाम, मुसीबत आने वाली है। वतन की फिक्र करना ना, मुसीबत आने वाली है। तेरे बर्बादियों के चर्चे लिखे हैं आसमानों पर। अगर अब भी न संभले हिंदुस्तान वालों, तुम्हारी दास्तां तक न होगी दास्तानों में। We need to be careful, ladies and gentlemen. We need to be vigilant. We need to be analytical. We need to be pursuing things in terms of the logicality. Even our small little step of indulgence, it should add to the contributive cause of the generation and emancipation and strengthening of the economy of this country, and not the erosion of the economy of this country. And it is in that context. जब दुनिया इकोनॉमिक इंपीरियलिज्म के साथ चल रही है, अब दुनिया गोली और बारूद के सहारे नहीं चलती, अब सारी गोली और बारूद इकोनॉमिक करेंसी की स्ट्रेंथ के अंतर्गत अगर बसी हुई है, तो इज इट नॉट अवर इंपरेटिव ड्यूटी दैट वी वुड बी रिसोर्टिंग बैक टू दैट स्टेप व्हिच गांधी जी कॉन्टेम्पलेटेड एज स्वदेशी? इस देश में जो बनेगा, इस देश में जो बनता होगा, इस देश में जो बनाया जा सकता है, इस देश का जो डोमेस्टिक प्रोड्यूस है, वही इस देश का आम आदमी इस्तेमाल करेगा। ये संकल्प मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जब मेरी पूर्व वक्ता बहनों ने कहा कि 15 अगस्त को संकल्प लिया जाए। मुझे लगता है मेरी अल्प बुद्धि अगर मुझे कुछ कहने पर मजबूर करती है, तो मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि इस देश का राष्ट्रीय इनर व्हील क्लब अपने सारे सदस्यों के साथ 15 अगस्त को अपने मेंबर्स को यह संकल्प दिलाए कि इस देश के अंतर्गत वोकल फॉर लोकल, इस चरितार्थ की हकीकत का प्रामाणिकता से अमली जामा पहनाने के लिए हम ये निर्णय लेते हैं कि वी विल बी बाइंग ओनली दैट फॉर ऑल अवर यूज एंड यूटिलिटी दैट विच इज डोमेस्टिकली मैन्युफैक्चर्ड विदाउट एनी बार्गेन देयर ऑन। दैट इज द लिबरल एसेंस मीनिंग वोकल फॉर लोकल। अगर आप सोच करके देखिए, मैं अगर मेरी लोकल चीजों पर वोकल नहीं होऊंगा, तो फिर उसका सारा का सारा स्वरूप कौन निर्धारित करेगा? मैं मेरी चीजों पर अगर अभिमान नहीं करूंगा, तो आसमान के फरिश्ते मेरी चीजों पर अभिमान करने के लिए नहीं आने वाले। I have to be proud of my own creation. Maybe that initially they may be compromised in character, but I am required to be serving a larger purpose. I am required to be catering to the economic development of my nation. Even that small 1 rupee purchase of mine will be contributing to the cesspool of economics in my country, and therefore I am in that sense. मित्रों, सिंधु अपने आप निर्मित नहीं होता, समंदर अपने आप निर्मित नहीं होते। बिंदुओं के माध्यम का एकत्रीकरण जब होता है, तो बिंदु से सिंधु का निर्माण होता है। हमें कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि मैं एकटा केलन काय होणार है, मेरे अकेले के करने से क्या होगा, और मान लो अगर मैंने किया भी तो इतने सारे लोग जो नहीं कर रहे हैं उनके अंतर्गत मैं पागल दिखाई दूंगा। मित्रों, गालिब को भी यही पूछा गया था कि तुम गालिब अगर ऐसे अलहदा रहे तो पागल कहलाओगे। तब गालिब ने उस दीवानगी के लिए लिखा था कि तुम्हारी बातों में क्या है, बस लच्छे ही लच्छे हैं, हमें पागल ही रहने दो कि हम पागल ही अच्छे हैं। ये वो भावना है, ये वो संदर्भ है, ये वो औचित्य है, ये वो अनुगमन है, ये वो अनुशीलन है, और ये वो परिशीलन है। इफ वी आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उस एक नए पैसे में भी इकोनॉमी है, उस 1 रुपए में भी इकोनॉमी है, उस 100 रुपए के परचेज में भी इकोनॉमी है। अगर मेरी इकोनॉमी का सर्कुलेशन मेरे प्रोड्यूस के साथ मेरे प्राइस से उसका वैल्यू मैं पेमेंट दे करके खरीद रहा हूं, तो मैं एक इंटरनल बॉयंट मार्केट का निर्माण कर रहा हूं, जिसका प्रॉफिट, जिसका सरप्लस मेरे प्रॉस्पेरिटी के डिविडेंड के लिए, मेरी इकोनॉमी को मजबूत करने के लिए तैयार होगा। और मैं बहिष्कार करूंगा, केवल मैं अपने को स्वीकार नहीं करूंगा, मैं बहिष्कार करूंगा, प्रण करूं कि मैं आज के बाद कोई फॉरेन में किसी भी वस्तु का इस्तेमाल किसी भी स्तर पर मैं नहीं करूंगा। दैट इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ स्वदेशी। वोकल फॉर लोकल, इस वर्धा की नगरी से, इस बापू की नगरी से, इस विनोबा की नगरी से अगर संदेश के रूप में आज इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के एकांतिक सिद्धांत के रूप में मुखरित होना है, तो बहनों मुझे कहने दो, मैं केवल यही कहना चाहता हूं कि वोकल फॉर लोकल इज नॉट अ न्यू टैग। प्रवीणा जी, मैं आपकी इस बात को अस्वीकार करता हूं। इट्स नॉट अ न्यू टैग, इट्स नॉट अ हैशटैग, इट इज द रिवाइवल एंड रीजुविनेशन ऑफ द स्पिरिट ऑफ स्वदेशी किंडल्ड फ्रॉम सेवाग्राम। सेवाग्राम के इस लाइट को नया ट्वाइलाइट 15 अगस्त 2020 का दिन दे और हिंदुस्तान एक नए तिमिर और आलोक के रास्ते पर चलकर अपनी उस ग्लोबल सुप्रीमेसी के लिए इकोनॉमिक रिसरेक्शन का अगर मूल मंत्र है। 8 अगस्त 1942 को बापू ने एक मूल मंत्र दिया था, अंग्रेजी सल्तनत की नींवें हिल गई थी और उस मूल मंत्र का नाम था करो या मरो। 15 अगस्त 2020 राष्ट्रीय इनर व्हील क्लब में निवेदन करना चाहता हूं, एक घोषणा दे कि इस देश के अंतर्गत ऑफ द डोमेस्टिक, बाय द डोमेस्टिक एंड फॉर द डोमेस्टिक, डोमेस्टिसिटी विल बी द रूलिंग एसेंस दैट वी शैल बी कमिटेड टू। आप एक कदम उठाइए, आपका ये कदम कारगर साबित होगा, आपका ये कदम स्तुत्य होगा, आपका ये कदम दूरगामी परिणाम देगा, आपका ये कदम, मुझे कहने दीजिए अध्यक्षा जी, पैट्रियोटिक होगा। This is the patriotism which is the need of the hour. Let that one step be taken. जब एक कदम लिया जाता है, बढ़ाया जाता है, तो कदमों की व्याख्या का वो संदर्भ मैं आपको स्मरण करा दूं। जब चांद के ऊपर में पहला कदम नील आर्मस्ट्रांग ने रखा था, तब उसने कहा था, इट मे बी अ स्मॉल स्टेप ऑफ अ मैन बट अ जायंट लीप फॉर मैनकाइंड। इसलिए आपका निर्णय 15 अगस्त को लिया गया एक छोटा सा स्टेप होगा, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के स्वाभिमान का एक दीर्घकालीन चित्रण का स्वरूप होगा और उस चित्रण की निर्मिति पैट्रियोटिज्म की शाही से आप अपनी लेखनियों से लिखकर देश के अंतर्गत उस स्वाभिमान के नए सिलसिले को जिंदा करने का सबब पैदा करेंगी जिसकी इस देश को आवश्यकता है। It is in that context, ladies and gentlemen, I thought that I would be definitely putting across my stray thoughts. I am not an expert on economics, but whatever little I could gather about my own senses, I tried to put this across. I am thankful to all of you for giving me this opportunity of sharing my stray views with you on this vital topic. I do not know if I have gone stray anywhere. I am really, the fault is mine. But if there is any underlying message which I am in a position to put across, believe me, ladies and gentlemen, that is the core essence that I am wanted to put across. If it has cut across, I am grateful to you. If it hasn't, then perhaps the failure is mine. Thank you very much to all of you, giving my best compliments to all of you for the pursuance that is required to be espoused, and saluting all of you for the devoted, selfless service that the Inner Wheel Club, under the aegis of the greatest social club of India, Service Club of India, the Rotary Club, that it is dispensing. Therefore, my salutations to that work. It is that selfless service in the interest of the nation and society which is a real parameter of essence of humanism, nationalism, and patriotism, all in unison. And that is the real ism which I collectively call as global humanism. Let us cater to that, and that will be the ultimate essence. Thank you very much for patient listening. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ved Prakash ji. There are few questions. Should I ask you, sir?
Please, please.
Will it not isolate India from global economy if we say vocal for local?
See, vocal for local will be a domestic commitment that we have to espouse. But simultaneously, therefore, I said the balance between the export and import. When I say that all my domestic requirements, I will be availing from my domestic manufacture and market, I mean thereby that for my domestic utility, I will not be going in for any imported goods. This will consolidate my domestic market. But then, just as China caters to the domestic requirements of the globe, similarly, having our domestic requirements satiated by our own means, we will capture other markets competing with China, and that will be balancing of exports as against restricted and reduced imports on domestic requirements.
Right. Thank you so much. One more question has come, sir. Can India afford for self-reliance?
India cannot afford for self-reliance on certain vital areas. This is catalogued as inevitable imports. Like, we will never be in a position to be self-reliant in terms of our requirement on petroleum. So this is the inevitable import which we have recurred to. But then we should always remember that we should be in a position to work out certain unique propositions which will be able to balance our compulsory imports. Classical example is, why was it that entire Europe came down to India in 15th, 16th and 17th century, including the constitution of East India Company, it was spices which were available in India. हिंदुस्तान के मसाले ने यूरोप को चटक लगाई और उसी के कारण हम इतने वर्षों तक गुलाम हुए. हमारी अपनी यूनिक चीजें, हमारी क्राफ्ट्समैनशिप है which can be there to be creating the entire situation, and more so हमारा डेमोग्राफिक डिविडेंड जो आज यूथफुल मैन पावर है, which can be availed for the purposes of the entire service industry of the world, but not in the realm of brain drain, but in the domain of brain gain, and that would be a real asset for us. So we will have to, inevitable imports cannot be done away with, but they have to be parallelly compensated by inevitable uniqueness which the world will be forced to fall in line with. And our youthful population, if converted to precious human resource and worked out for the entire service sector of the world in the context of brain gain, we will be able to compensate that more than adequately.
Thank you, sir. One more question has come, sir. Being vocal on right local, please comment.
See, question is right local, that discretion is bound to be there. I am not saying forced local. I am not saying compromised local. I am saying whatever is the best option among the local, it is open for you. But my best option of the local cannot be sacrificed even to the worst option of foreign or alien. This is the contest. मेरी माँ का आंचल फटा होगा, मुझे स्वीकार है, मैं ममता वही ढूंढूंगा, लेकिन मौसी की टेरलिन और टेरिकॉट की आंचल में मैं ममता की तलाश नहीं करूंगा. माँ के फटे आंचल के अंतर्गत में मेरी ममता ढूंढ लूंगा.
Thank you so much, sir. We had these many questions. Thank you for a wonderful oration that we all enjoyed. We all imbibed at least so many things, and definitely everybody in the delegation, delegates, they have gained so many things, and true patriotism has been imbibed in all of us. Thank you very much, sir. For
pleasure, ma'am.
And I will just request you to please stay for some time so that we have at least felicitation function for which we also need you, sir.
Please, please.
So please
Please.
stay tuned with us. With the play, thank you again, sir. With the presence of galaxy of delegates, including past association presidents, I request a very pleasing personality and dear friend, PAP Saritaji Lulani, to summarize the proceedings and her impressions. Over to Saritaji for the summarization and proceedings. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Vande Mataram. Gaining inspiration from our esteemed speakers, I quote, "Jahan dal dal par sone ki chiriya karti hai basera, वो भारत देश है मेरा." But today I say, वेद प्रकाश जी को सुनने के बाद, जहां डाल डाल पर लोकल करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जहां डाल डाल पर भारत की मट्टी करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. The webinar today on patriotism, vocal for local, hosted by District 303, is very apt and very much needed in today's scenario. First of all, I would like to summarize on what our World President Veena Vyas ji said. It is always pleasure for us Innerwheel members to listen to our World President, Dr. Veena Vyas. Madam President, you have illuminated us both with your presence and by your address. मंजिल से जरा कह दो, अभी पहुंची नहीं हूं मैं, मुश्किलें जरूर है मगर ठहरी नहीं हूं मैं. Yes, Veena ji, we agree with you that patriotism is a feeling of love, attachment and devotion towards our country. It is a feeling of pride and loyalty towards our country. Yes, every child of India should be encouraged to attend the Independence Day function in their respective schools and colleges. We must respect our history. We must respect our freedom fighters. We must respect our defense forces. Supporting and protecting our national property is also very important. Patriotism का नाम सुनते ही हमारे रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं. और रविंद्रनाथ जी ने कहा है, आइए हम ये प्रार्थना न करें कि हमारे ऊपर खतरा न आए, बल्कि ये प्रार्थना करें कि हम उनका निडरता के साथ सामना कर सकें. So friends, if you are full of patriotism, you are full of love for your country. Patriotism is associated with serving your country and waving the national flag. That is day after tomorrow on 15th August. Every Innerwheel member should wave the national flag and take the sankalp, which I will come later when I speak about Ved Prakash. So Madam President, your extempore and spontaneous oratorical skills are cherished by every member in Innerwheel. You have kindled a spark in our members and guests today. We have been enlightened by a motivational address on patriotism. Chandrachud, yes, you have also motivated us. You have explained that in these trying times, it is important to be a responsible Indian. And this is your slogan for 15th August, that every Innerwheel member will be a responsible Indian. Patriotism will never go outdated, and celebrate the Independence Day by pledging that I am a responsible Indian. Vasudha, your spontaneous extempore oratorical skills are cherished by every member, and your presence made a meaningful difference to our seminar. It is a matter of great pride and privilege to have amidst us the scholarly presence of His Highness, Dr. Shri Ved Prakash Ji Mishra. He is a professor of excellence, professor of eminence, and professor emeritus. The intellectual Badshah, I would call him. He is the youngest ever dean of the Faculty of Medicine, Nagpur University. Sir, you are multifaceted. You have received so many awards. Sir, you are a true example of courage, conviction, and good character. This is, I am quoting your own self, because you are capable of moving things in the desired direction. What an orator you are, sir. I have no words to say. I think we can all raise our hands to giving a standing ovation. Sir, your address has kindled a spark in our members with the slogan, Vocal for Local. You rightly said what Lord Rama अपने साथ लेकर गए वनवास, मुझे भी नहीं पता था वो अपने साथ अयोध्या की मिट्टी लेके गए. कितना अच्छा लगा ये सुन के कि हमारे पास भी ऐसी मिट्टी है जो इतनी पवित्र है और इतनी पावरफुल है. जन्मभूमि भी आपका स्वर्ग है. India is in my nation. In me, India resides. This is to be felt and perceived by every citizen. राष्ट्र है तो सब कुछ है. राष्ट्र नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं. Care not what your country does for you. Care what you do for your country. Be local, feel local, go global is a concept, as you said, sir, which dates back to the era of the Swadeshi movement, which started in 1905 as part of the independence movement. And Mahatma Gandhi ji ka bhi yahi slogan tha, be Indian and buy Indian. So we all want to grow, and similarly, every patriot wants to see his country grow at a global level. And this can be achieved only by supporting the local business. And that is why our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ने सही ढंग से हमें प्रेरित किया है. लोकल के लिए वोकल होना है हर भारतवासी को. हमें लोकल कमोडिटीज खरीदना है, उनकी प्रशंसा भी करनी है. We must use local products and service to create more opportunities and make Indians more skilled. In times of crisis like the COVID-19, the local brands ने ही हमारी मदद को पूरी करी है, हमारे देश को बचाया है, और हर भारतवासी का मंत्र होना चाहिए, use local. We common people have the power to choose our leaders, and now it is time to choose our local. Sir, just like you have quoted about the perfume that is made in France and the product has gone from India, I would like to give an example of Lotus Herbals. उनका campaign अभी recently launched हुआ है, which is very nice, made locally, loved globally, and beautifully Indian. ये slogan मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. And sir, now with your motivation, we must move forward with this new resolve and determination. Each Indian must be a brand ambassador of Swadeshi. We have to do aggressive publicity, and from IW, especially on 15th August 2020, global patriotism ही हमारा नारा रहेगा. And now to the last speaker, Rotary District Governor Shabbir Shakir. Sir, you are indeed an illustrious leader of Rotary International District 3030. Shabbir ji, you have tried to convey the world does not need more beautiful, more successful people now. But we need more healers, peacemakers, caring and more loving people. And this is what we Innerwheel members are. We are the women. We have worked from our heart. And we have been working silently like invisible workers, doing miracles all over the world. Thank you, sir, for speaking so highly of Innerwheel members. And now it is time to say kudos to District Chairman Meenal Lathi and members of District 302. Oh, what a mind-blowing webinar. This, I mean, 2 hours कैसे बीत गए हमें पता ही नहीं चला. बस हमारे तो रोंगटे ही खड़े रह गए और हमें इतना गर्व हो गया है भारत के लिए, अपने देश के लिए, अपनी भारत माता के लिए. हम आपको कह नहीं सकते हैं. Congratulations to moderator, past association president and CCC chairman Rashmi Sharma. What a subject you have chosen, Rashmi. Congratulations. And thank you, my good friend PDC Praveena Kher, for moderating the show. Thank you to all the past district chairmen. Thank you to all the members of District 303. Well done and Jai Ho, Namaskar, Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Sarita ji. It was so nice of you to moderate the whole session. You summarized it so nicely that we recapitulated each and everything regarding the whole webinar that we were witnessing through 2 hours. Now I will request our lead club president, Innerwheel Club of Gandhi City Wardha, Mrs. Monica Poddar, to please felicitate our dignitaries. Over to Monica. First of all, I request Madam Beena Vyas to please accept.
Very nice.
Please accept this, the love of token from ICGC Wardha. This will send to you by courier.
Next, I will again request Monica to please felicitate Vasudha ji.
I request Vasudha ma'am also to accept the love of token from ICGC Wardha.
I request Monica to please present memento to our keynote speaker, Dr. Ved Prakash Ji Mishra.
Sir, I am obliged to have you here. Please accept this love of token from site and Innerwheel Club of Gandhi City Wardha. I will send it to you by post.
I now request Monica ji to please present memento to Rotary Governor 3030, Rotarian Shabbir Shakir sir.
Shabbir sir, thank you for coming. I am obliged to have you. Please accept this love of token from ICGC Wardha. Thank you, sir.
Now I request Monica ji to present memento to the most simple and beautiful lady, Sarita ji Lulani.
Thank you so much, Sarita ma'am, for your nice impression. Please accept this from ICGC Wardha. It's a छोटा सा एक प्यार हमारा आपके प्रति. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thanks for accepting our felicitations. Now I request Monica Poddar to please propose vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, everyone. A very good evening to everyone. It's been a wonderful, inspiring, awakening, and motivating evening with all of Innerville dignitaries and keynote speaker and friends from Rotary Club. I am Monica Poddar, President, Innerville Club of Gandhi City, Varda. Take this opportunity to present vote of thanks on behalf of Innerville District 303 and Innerville Club of Gandhi City, Varda. First of all, I would like to thank the ever-charming philanthropist, the woman who has mission to lead the change, our IIW President, Honorable Dr. Beena Vyas. Ma'am, your presence gave a different aura to the entire event. I would like to thank you for accepting our invitation and giving us opportunity to hear you. Thank you, ma'am. Now here, I would like to thank our enthusiastic, the owner of Innerville Association President Vasudhaji Chanchur, who is hope of Innerville India for attending the webinar and guiding us. Where knowledge is captive powerhouse, whose words in lecture are as priceless as his name, I am thankful to versatile personality who is one of the best orator of India, Honorable Dr. Ved Prakash Ji Mishra, for addressing us on the topic Vocal for Local. Sir, your guidance has certainly shown us the way to be vocal for local. It will be our privilege to have your blessings for future. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank PAP and Association CCC, Dr. Rashmi Ji Sharma for guiding us always and in this project too. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank all association executives for joining the webinar. I would like to thank our one more PAP who is on dais with us, Sarita Ji Lulani, and all other PAPs and all AC members for accepting the invitation and attending the webinar. My ever charged with Seva in mind, my district chairman Minalji Lathi for presiding the webinar and working tirelessly to take this project to its height. I would like to thank district chairman of other districts too for joining us. I thank my District 303 Executive Committee members and executive members of other districts for joining us. Presidents, office bearers, and executive members and members of District 303 and other districts, I thank you friends for being present in the program. Thanking all the PDCs of District 303 and other districts for giving us blessings with their presence. A special invitee of the day, Rotary International District 303 DG Shabbir Shakir Ji. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your valuable time and greeting and wishes in your special words. Thank you, my Rotary Club and Innerville Club friends for joining the event. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone who has helped us in making this event successful and join us. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for coming and have this session very peacefully. Thank you.
Thank you, Monica, for the wonderful words of thanks. Now, as it has come to an end, I will request if Minalji wants to say something. Otherwise, we will go for a national anthem.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस प्रवीणा जी और मोनिका, बहुत अच्छा सेमिनार लिया है। और बीना जी, वसुधा जी, वेद प्रकाश जी, बहुत अच्छा आपने गाइड किया है, स्पीच दिया है।
शब्बीर सर और
एक का तो सुने नहीं अभी, मोनिका भी बहुत फैंस इंग्लिश
सरिता जी
बढ़िया
बहुत
बोली।
अच्छा
और
आपने
उसके पहले एक लुनिया ने बोली,
समरी दिया है। आपको बहुत टाइम से हमें सुनना
लुनिया
था।
ने तो इतना गजब का बोली पूरा उसके ऊपर।
कोई और शायद से कुछ कहना चाह रहा है तो प्रवीणा जी, मुझे लग रहा है मेरे से ज्यादा दूसरों को चांस देते हैं इस वेबिनार के लिए बोलने को, है ना। फर्स्ट हम लोग नेशनल एंथम लेते हैं, फिर
सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज बने रहिएगा, हम लोग आपका फीडबैक।
हाँ, सभी को अनम्यूट कर दिया है।
जी जी, नेशनल एंथम
सभी को अनम्यूट
कर दीजिएगा ताकि
कर दिया है अनम्यूट। सिर्फ नेशनल एंथम फिर हम लोग
We are starting with the national anthem. Please raise for the national anthem.